Hi guys, it's me Teacher Gon. I hope you will learn something from this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Okay, good day. Sa video natin ito, ang focus naman natin is kung paano mag-solve ng mga MTAP questions for grade 10. So, I have here 7 questions para sa mga grade 10 students na gusto mag-prepare for the elimination round of MMC 2020. Nag-prepare ako ng 7 mula sa MMC 2016. So, I hope na tapusin natin yung video para mas maintindihan yung mga problems para sa dating elimination round ay hindi kayo mahihirapan. So, let's get started. In our first question, meron tayo rito. This one is from 2016, item number 2 of elimination round. Sabi dito sa problem, find the area of the triangle formed by the coordinate axis and the line 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. So, paano ba isolve yung ganitong klase ng problem? So, as you can see, meron ako ditong Cartesian plane. This is your x-axis. And this is your y-axis. So, ang gagawin natin is i-graph muna natin yung line sa ating Cartesian plane. Pero yung iba rito ang ginagawa nila, minimental lang nila yung calculation. Pero dito ang gagawin natin is we are going to graph the linear equation. So, we have here 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Mas madali gamitin natin yung x and y intercepts. So, for the x-intercepts, you will assign y be equal to 0. So, meaning, kung yung y natin ay 0, the equation will be 3x is equal to 6. And then, divided by 3, your x is equal to 2. This is your x-intercept, therefore, the coordinates are 2, 0. And then, for the y-intercept, you will assign x be equal to 0. Kapag yung x nyo equal to 0, therefore, the equation is 2y is equal to 6. Divided by 2, you will have y is equal to 3. This is your y-intercept, therefore, the coordinates are 0, 3. So ngayon, since meron ka na ngayong x and y-intercept, you can graph the linear equation in a Cartesian plane. So, start muna tayo dito. The location of 2, 0 is here. And then for 0, 3 along the y-axis. Tapos, i-graph natin siya. Create ang straight line. So, yan na. As you can see, meron na tayo na form na triangle. Ito yung triangle natin. Na-form siya gamit yung coordinate axis at yung ating line. Ngayon, sabi dito, find the area of the triangle. So, paano ba naman solve yung ganitong problem? Remember, the formula for the area of triangle is that you have the area, or A, is equal to 1/2 base times height. So, saan ngayon natin kunin yung base at height natin? Yung magiging base natin ay manggagaling dito sa sa length ng line na to, which is 2 units. So, yung base natin is equal to 2 units. So, this is 2. And then, yung height naman natin, o yung h natin, is equal to 3. Saan siya nanggaling? Ito. So, we have now, area is equal to 1/2 times 2 times 3. So, to simplify this one, pwede natin itong ma-cancel out. Therefore, the area of the triangle formed by the coordinate axis and the line 3x plus 2y is equal to 6 is simply 3 square units. This is the answer for item number 2 in MMC 2016 elimination round. So let's proceed with item number 13 of the elimination round. Sabi dito, find the equation in the form ax plus by is equal to c of the line through the point 5, 2 that is parallel to the line 4x plus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0. Ngayon, may dalawang lines na kailangan natin consider. Pero ano yung isipin nyo dito, ano yung kanilang relationship? They are parallel to each other, meaning hindi sila nag-meet. So may shortcut tayo dyan. So, since parallel sila, copyhin nyo lang yung original equation natin. You have 4x plus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0. Ngayon, anong purpose niyan? Copyhin nyo to. Siya na yung magiging coefficients, siya na yung magiging x and y terms nyo since they are parallel. So, you have 4x plus 6y. And then, ito, copyhin nyo rin sa kabila. 4x plus 6y. Ano maging purpose ng part na to? Ang purpose ng part na yan is siya yung gagamitin nyo para maging constant. Or para mahanap yung constant natin. So you have 4x plus 6y is equal to 4. At may nakalimutan pala ako. Remember, meron tayong given point na 5, 2. This will represent your x and y para dito. Siya yung plug in nyo. So we have 4 times 5 plus 6 times 2. And then, simplifying this equation, you will have 4x plus 6y is equal to 20 plus 12. You have 4x plus 6y is equal to 32. As you can see, all of the terms here in our linear equation or in our equation na nahanap are all divisible by 2. So we can simplify it as 2x plus 3y is equal to 16. Ngayon, ang tanong dito, yan na ba yung final answer natin? Yan na. Bakit? Kasi, sabi dito, you need to represent your equation in the form ax plus by is equal to c. Therefore, the answer for number 13 of MMC 2016 is simply 2x plus 3y is equal to 16. Now, let's go with item number 15 of MMC 2016. Sabi dito, find the solutions of the system 2x plus y is equal to 1, 3x plus 4y is equal to 14. Now, ang target lang naman natin dito is to find the value of x and y and that will be the solution of the system. Pinakamadaling gamitin dito ay substitution method. Pero hindi ko sinasabi hindi pwedeng gamitin yung elimination. We can also use elimination method, pero mas okay yung substitution. So let's have the first equation. 2x plus y is equal to 1. Bakit ko sinabi mas madali yung elimination, ay yung substitution? Kasi meron na tayo ditong term na ang coefficient ay 1. So we can find the value of y as y is equal to negative 2x plus 1. Ito muna yung temporary value of y. Ano nga yung magiging purpose niyan? Gamit yung pangalawang equation, we have 3x plus 4y is equal to 14. Pwede natin i-plug in dito yung nakuha natin value ng y. So, paano mangyayari? You have 3x plus 4 times negative 2x plus 1. Pinalit ko yung value ng y, which is this one, is equal to 14. Simplify lang natin. You have 3x minus 8x plus 4 is equal to 14. And then, simplify natin yung ating equation. Negative 5x is equal to 14 minus 4. Negative 5x is equal to 10. And then to solve for x, divided by negative 5. So you have x is equal to negative 2. This is the value of x. And then, wala pa tayong value ng y. So we will use this to find the value of y. Find y. X is equal to negative 2. Alin sa dalawang to ay pwedeng gamitin? So, pwede. So, pinakamadali dyan ay yung number 1. So, you have 2x plus y is equal to 1. You will have 2 times negative 2 plus y is equal to 1. You have y is equal to 1 plus 4. So, your y is simply 5. So, hindi pa tayo pwede mag-conclude ngayon if that answer is correct. We need to check whether the values of x and y can satisfy the given system. So, checking tayo. For checking, so your x is equal to negative 2, your y is equal to 5. 2 times negative 2 plus 5 is equal to 1. This is negative 4 plus 5 is equal to 1. This is 1 is equal to 1. So, nasatisfy natin yung first equation. How about the second equation? We have 3x, so 3 times negative 2 plus 4 times 5 is equal to 14. This is negative 6 plus 20 is equal to 14. So this is 14 be equal to 14. So since parehas silang nasatisfy yung equation, therefore, the solution of the system is negative 2, 5. That's it for item number 15. Now let's proceed with item number 25 of 2016 elimination round. Sabi, find the solution set of the inequality x raised to 2 is less than 5x minus 6. So, yung conventional way yung tatry natin gawin dito. Una, copy your inequality, x squared less than 5x minus 6. And then, gawin natin siyang quadratic equation. So, magiging x squared is equal to 5x minus 6. And then, gawin natin siyang standard form. Zero. Tapos, isolve natin yung value ng x. Your factors are negative x minus 2 times x minus 3 equals to 0. So, simplifying this one, the value of x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. Ano magiging purpose ngayon ng 2 saka 3? Sila ngayon yung magiging natin, markings natin. So, pwede tayong gawa ng number line. Tapos, ilagay natin dito sa ating number line, this is 0. Then, dito yung 2 at 3. Ngayon, puntahan nyo ngayon yung ating given inequality. Inequality natin ay gumagamit ng less than. Kapag ang ginamit ay less than or greater than, ang gagamitin nyo ay open circle. Pero kapag meron siyang ganito sa ilalim, yung bar sa ilalim, meaning equal, or ganito, you will use solid circle. Ngayon, paano yan? Ilagay nyo sa ibabaw ng ating markings, yung 2, ay yung open circle, at dito. Ngayon, kung mapansin nyo, nahati sa tatlong region yung ating number line. Meron dito, sa kaliwa, meron sa gitna, at meron sa kanan. Ngayon, hindi na natin kailangan kumuha ng test point sa bawat region. Ang gagawin na lang natin, hanapin natin yung region kung nasan yung 0. So, yung 0 natin ay nandito kasi siya yung pinakamadaling gamitin. So, you will use x is equal to 0 para maging test point natin sa given inequality. So, x is equal to 0, you have x squared less than 5x minus 6. Ipalit lang dito yung 0, pati dito, magiging 0 squared less than 5 times 0 minus 6. And simplifying this inequality, you will have 0 is less than negative 6, in which this statement is a false statement. So, lagyan natin false. Therefore, ano bang ibig sabihin yan? Since false yung statement natin is at yung ating test point na 0 ay galing dito sa region na to, ibig sabihin, wala sa region na to yung solution ng ating inequality. At another thing na kailangan niyong tandaan, kung wala sa left side, wala rin sa right side. Therefore, ang ating solution ay nasa gitna. Ito. Between 2 and 3. Ngayon, paano ngayon natin i-represent yung ating answer? There are two possible ways on how to represent your answer. First, yung inequality. You will represent this part of the line using inequality. Siya ay x is greater than 2 but less than 3. So, inequality yan. Paano kapag hininga naman kayo ng interval notation? Sa interval notation, it is simply parenthesis 2, 3. Yan. Those are the possible answers. Now, let's go with item number 29. Sabi dito, find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points 1, 4, and 7, negative 2. So, paano ginagawa rito? Ngayon, alam natin na meron tayong isang segment na kung saan sabi 1, 4 yung endpoints and 7, negative 2. Tapos, yung pinapanap na rin sa atin ay yung line na kung saan perpendicular towards this segment at the same time dumadaan sa midpoint. Ang dalawang yan. So, ito yung pinapahanap sa atin ng equation ng line na to. Ngayon, paano siya isolve? Una, we can find the slope of this line. Try natin, ha? So, you have m is equal to negative 2 minus 4 over 7 minus 1. Your m is equal to negative 6 over 6. Your m is simply negative 1. So, yan, meron tayong negative 1. And then, kunin naman natin yung midpoint ng segment, midpoint. So, sa midpoint natin, para maharap na midpoint natin, add lang natin yung x. So, you have x is equal to x sub 1 plus x sub 2 all over 2. X is equal to 1 plus 7 over 2. So, the midpoint is of x coordinate is simply 4. Next, for the midpoint of y, you have your y is equal to y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. So you have negative 2 plus 4 over 2, meaning the midpoint is simply 1. So meron tayo ngayong slope at midpoint. Yung midpoint natin is 4, 1. At since yung slope natin ay na nakuha kanina is negative 1, kunin natin yung negative reciprocal ng negative 1, which is 1. Ang gamitin natin slope ngayon ay 1 because the two lines are perpendicular. So therefore, kunin natin yung negative reciprocal. So since meron tayong slope sa point, ang gagamitin natin ngayon ay yung point slope form, which is y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. Ipalit lang natin, you have y minus 1 is equal to 1 times x minus 4. So you have y minus 1 is equal to x minus 4. You have x minus y, negative 1 minus plus 4. So therefore, x minus y is equal to 3. This is the equation of the line na perpendicular sa segment na merong endpoints sa 1, 4 and 7, negative 2. Next tayo. Let's go with item number 35. What is the remainder when x cubed minus x plus 1 is divided by 2x minus 1? Gagamitin natin dito ay yung remainder theorem. Kunin natin muna yung 2x. I-solve muna natin yung x nito. I-require natin si 0. So we have 2x is equal to 1. So your x is equal to 1/2. So since meron na tayo ditong x is equal to 1/2, kunin natin yung equation natin or yung ating expression, x cubed minus x plus 1. I-plug in natin. So you have 1/2 raised to 3 minus 1/2 plus 1. And then this is 1 over 8 minus 1/2 plus 1. Simplify natin. You have 1 over 8 minus 1/2 plus 1. Kunin natin ka lang LCD, which is 8. 1 minus 4 plus 8. So you will have 5 over 8 as the remainder of the given expressions. Next natin ay yung MMC 2016 number 36. Sabi dito, triangle ABC has right angle at B. If angle C is 30 degrees and BC is 12 centimeters, find AB. Pinakamadali ditong gawin, kung hindi nyo pa masyadong kabisado yung ating right triangle, is you need to draw first a right triangle, syempre. Draw muna tayong right triangle. Para mas maging clear sa pagsasagot natin. So, ito yung ating right angle. At sabi doon, yung right angle natin is B. And then, angle C is 30 degrees. Dito yung C, dito yung A. This is 30 degrees. Tapos, another clue na meron tayo is that BC is equal to 12 centimeters. At ang pinapahanap natin sa atin ay yung length ni AB. Now, as you can see, pwede nyo gamitin dito yung special right triangle, pero ang ipapakita ko sa inyo dito ay kung paano gamitin yung trigo function or trigo ratios. So, try natin na. This is 30 degree, tapos yung side na hinahanap ay opposite, tapos ang given ay adjacent. Therefore, ang trigo ratio na gagamitin natin is tangent. So, we have tangent 30 degrees. Ang tangent 30 degrees natin is equal to opposite over adjacent. So you have tangent 30 degrees is equal to the opposite side, which is missing. Gawin natin siyang AB over your adjacent side, which is 12. And then cross multiply lang natin. You have AB is equal to 12 tangent 30 degrees. And then, kung tandaan nyo pa to, yung value nito, tangent 30 degrees is equal to 1 over square root of 3. You have 12 times 1 over square root of 3. You will have 12 over square root of 3. And then, you can rationalize. So, pwede nyo gawin dito, this is, natin dalhin. AB is equal to 12 square root of 3 over 3. So therefore, the length of side AB is simply 4 square root of 3. So I hope na from these 7 problems ay meron kayong nakuhang technique or naiintindihan about the elimination round of the MTAP for grade 10. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share na rin yung video natin para mas maraming grade 10 ang makakita sa tutorial natin. Maraming salamat!